Renee and I with Pumpkin Town Primitives would like to introduce to you what we are calling the Gamester's Companion Combo Pack. We have a deck of period playing cards without the numbers on the card, so you'll have to study those cards a little more intently. It also includes 4 wooden die as well as a bag to carry those in. And then lastly, it includes the instructions, the book by our friend Jim Daniel called The Gamester's Companion. It has different games for playing cards as well as die. And as with anything with Jim Daniel, it's always loaded with great historical information and practical detail as well. So all these items are for sale on our online store separately, but you can also buy them together in the combo pack. The information for that will be below, as well as the link to make your purchase. So we hope that you ladies and gentlemen of the 18th century that have a little spare time on your hands may be interested in learning some creative diversions that will keep you busy, hopefully, for quite some time.